So guys, I'm going to be showing you how I installed Minecraft PE on my Android. So it's not going to be a gameplay, it's just going to be a little review. Okay, so first go to Google. Wait, it's Google. It will not work on iPhone. Tap aptoide, and aptoide download APK for Android aptoide. I already have it, so all I'm gonna do is click on it. It's loading. We got low on Wi-Fi. Oh no, it's not this one. No, it's not that one. It's the first one, yeah. It'll be the first one on the phone. Yeah. And then put install aptoide. Install. Then it'll ask you this. You want to keep aptoide 8 or it'll just ask you for if you want a new one or a different one. So when you're done downloading, to make sure, just go right here, downloads, to your downloads. Then you'll have aptoide right there, and then you can go to aptoide. The version that I have is Minecraft PE v0.16.0.1. Well, let it load. Easier, just go like this. You remember my video of transparent screen? It's glitchy. Okay, so you're in. Go right here. Search Minecraft. Oh, all stores right here. If I were you, go down or go to his Mark 8, press more, or if you don't want it, games, is Minecraft Pocket Edition. Or for easy, just put Minecraft. You can put any Minecraft. It'll work for only Android, Samsung, and for other phones, but no iPhone. So bye guys. Leave a like, subscribe.